Good morning, class 3. Last class we have learned about operating system and we have learned how to start a computer. Today we will learn about the desktop. What is a desktop? Desktop is the first screen what we see after we turn on the computer is started and it's ready to work. The first screen which you see on the desktop is the screen is known as desktop. The screen which you see is known as desktop. You see a screen when the process of booting is completed. Means booting means the computer is ready to start. The operating system is ready to accept the application software. That time the first screen which you see on your desktop, the PC or your laptop, okay, so the first screen which you see is called the desktop. The Windows 7 desktop has 4 components: desktop background, icons, taskbar and gadget. So today we are going to learn all these 4 components of Windows 7: desktop background, icon, taskbar and gadget. Let us learn about each of these one by one. Desktop background. The background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called desktop. The background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called the desktop background. So what you see on the screen is known as desktop, and the picture which comes out is known as the desktop background. You see different desktop background picture on the different computer according to their setting. So as per your setting, the computer of your screen, the computer in the school and the computer of your friend may have a different desktop. Why? Because we have set the computer in our own way. Changing the desktop background. Now how you can change the desktop background? You have the option to change the desktop background and give a new look to your desktop. To change the desktop background, follow the given step. Now if you want to change the desktop background, means you have a desktop and you want to change the screen design pattern or the whatever you are seeing on the screen. If you want to change that, how you will do? Step number 1, right click at any empty area of the desktop. Means you have to right click any empty area of the desktop and click the personalize. So when the option of personalize will come up, you choose that option. A window appears. Next we have the last, click the desktop background option, a new window appears. So if you click the desktop now after the personalize, if you click the desktop background option, a new new window will appear. What is window? Window is the next option which will have after coming to desktop, then you choosing the personalize. So when you click the personalize, you get many options. So that many option we are getting going into the personalize and getting more option, that's known as window. So when the desktop background is there, when you will click that, you will go to another window, that is you will get more option and you can change it. Step 3, select any option from the picture location. For example, window desktop background. So you choose the location from where you want to. So you select the location from where you want to take the picture and you want to put it on your desktop. Choose the picture you want. You can adjust the position of your picture using picture position option. So you can adjust the picture. click this save change button. So you can click the save change button also. The desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected option. So as you will select, as the changes you will take place, your background of the picture will change. Next you have icons. Now what are icons? An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file or folder. For example, see the computer icon or recycle bin icon on the desktop. So it is a small picture, it is a shortcut through which you can use your different application. Opening an application using icons. To open an application or programs, double click that icon. Suppose you want to open an application, double click that icon, your application will open. Next, selecting and deselecting an icon. To select an icon, follow the given step. Suppose you want to select an icon, what you will do? Step 1, bring the mouse pointer over an icon. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icons change. This means that the icon is selected. So as you will bring your mouse pointer to the particular icon, you will see the entire icon, that particular icon, the color will change. A square box will come on top of it. That means it has been selected. Deselect an icon. Following the given steps. Step number 1, move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. So you move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that the icon is deselected. So if you click outside the icon on the desktop, you see the box which came over the icon is removed, it's not there, and you can understand that the icon which was selected now is deselected. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icon. To select adjacent icon, click the first icon to be selected. So first you have to select an icon. After selecting that icon, then hold down the shift key and click on the last icon to be selected. So if simultaneously when you are selecting two icons, then what you are doing, first you are clicking the first icon and then you are pressing the shift key to choose the another icon. So two icon will be selected. So shift click on the last icon to be selected. All the adjacent icons get selected. So the first main icon is selected, and then with the shift key you can select more icons also. Next, to select non-adjacent icons, click the first icon to be selected. So if you want to non-adjacent icon, if you don't want to select, click the first one, then hold down the control key and click each of the icons to be selected. All the non-adjacent icons get selected. So class, it's mean that non-adjacent alternative icons, you can see over here. Adjacent icon means one after another, all the icons will be selected. You can see the square box which has been selected, see the color has been changed. And whereas non-adjacent icon, here where alternative icons are selected. Class 3. So today what we have learned about the desktop, the icon and start button. So let me explain you through the computer. The first screen which you are seeing now is the desktop. So as the computer start, you see the screen is known as desktop. This, you can see the arrow over here. This is the mouse pointer, it's on the flowers, you can see that. Yes, so you can see this is the icon. This is one icon, it's known as folder. This another icon, PDF icon. This another icon is the Google Chrome. Okay, so Zoom. So these are different icons are here. So these icons are over here. The screen which you saw or which you are seeing now is the desktop, the first screen. Then you saw the icon and folders. So suppose I need to select an icon, so I need to go to that place. Now I can click here. So as I'm going to click here, see a square box came up. So that's means the icon has been selected. So if I double click that one, so as I'm going to double click it, see many icons came up, icons and files came up. So my icon is opened. Now yes, now suppose I want to, it's that selecting icon I've shown you. Now deselecting, suppose this one is selected, the icon which I showed you just now, this one is selected. So you can see the square box is over there. Next, see the next folder I'm selecting, next it is selected. Now suppose I want to deselect, so I will click outside, it is deselected, selected, deselected, selected, deselected. So this is selecting and deselecting of icon. Now selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icons. So selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icons. So if I want to select, so how I'm going to select, I will click here and then I will click, next one. So see the icons are selecting. Okay, now this is by using shift key. So you can see one after another all the icons have been selected. But if I want to select non-adjacent icon, means alternative icons, how I'm going to do? First of all I have to click outside. So all icons are deselected. Now see, press Ctrl key. First you press one icon, then Ctrl key. Yes, icon, then press Ctrl key. You can see this icon and the third icon has been selected. Then another I have the adjacent is leaving the fourth one, the fifth has been selected. The first, third, first icon, third icon and fifth icon has been selected. So this is called non-adjacent icons. So selecting of non-adjacent icon. Now you can see I have folders and icons. Suppose I want to sort it out. So what should I do to sort this icon? First I will click on this one, pressing the mouse pointer. Yes, see, you can see the sort by option over here. If I click this one, I get name, it is sorted by name, size, then it's sorted with items type and date modified. So the way I can sort out by name, I can sort it by size also. So suppose I'm sorting it by name. See, the icon position will change also. Names. See, the icons has been changed. The Z zoom, which one came at last, because Z comes at last. And if I say size, sort out by size, see, according to the size it was selected. So let me make it with names again. Sort out by names. So it has been sorted out by names. Arranging icon, if I allow the computer to arrange it icon on its own, it can do that. Next, what we have learned about the taskbar. We have learned about the taskbar. Sorting icons. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click on the any blank area of the desktop. So any blank area of the desktop, just right click. A pop-up menu appears. Click the sort by option. So if you click the sort by option, click that one, then click the choice given in the menu to arrange the icon in that order. So you can sort out one after another. The icons, the system will see. You can see over here. So if you click on the blank area of the desktop, and a menu will come up. So you have given the sort by. So as you type click the over here in the sort by, you will get the icon can be sorted by names. It can be sorted by names, date, and different options are there. So that I will show you just now, and then you can able to understand. Next, arranging the icons. Arranging icons, you can arrange the icons on the desktop. Give a better look to arrange the icons. Follow the given steps. Follow the given step. Number 1, right click on any blank area of the desktop. So when you are choosing anything or you want the option, so you click on the blank area. So if you are not selecting any icons, if you want to select any icon, you click on the icon, whereas you click on the blank area on the desktop. View option from the pop-up menu. From the sub menu, click the auto arrange icon option. So auto arrange icon, that's mean the computer will select automatically all the arrange. It will arrange all the icons automatically. Now we have the taskbar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The taskbar has a start button, middle section, system tray, show desktop button. So let's see. Middle section. It shows which program and files you have opened and allow you to quickly switch between them. System tray. It displays the current date and time. Show desktop button. This button minimizes all the opened programs and display the desktop. Click on this button to see your desktop. Start button. Start button is used to do many activities. When you left click on the start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is called the start menu. Start menu contains many options. Some of them are as follows. All program. It contains shortcut to open programs within the list. Click the start button and then click all programs. A list appears with many options. You can click the program you want to open. You can go back to start menu by clicking the back option. So if you click the all program option, there are many options will come up. Okay, and you can select whichever program you want to open. Shut down. You close the window by using this option. So suppose your work is over, now you want to put your computer off, or you want to switch off your computer, so then you will choose the option shut down. This option in the start menu close all the open program and completely turn off your computer. To shut down your computer, just click start button and then click shutdown option. Search programs and files. So if you select the shutdown option, your computer will be totally put off. Search program and files. So if you want to search a program or a file, how you can search a program or file? This option is used to search or find thing in computer, to find a saved file for the given steps. Follow the given steps. So you want to search for a file, you want to look for a file. So the file which already you have made, now you want to search or you want to open that. So how you will do? Step number 1, click the start button. So first click the start button, then step 2, type the name of the file you want to search in the search box. A list of all the programs and files will come up with picture with a similar name appears. Click the required files to open it. So you click the required file to open it. Help and support. You could find different help topics related to the window in this option. So help and support, where if you have any difficulty in window, if you want to know, if you want to find out, you can get the help from here. Last is the gadget. The bar you see over here is known as the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Here you can see start button. This is the start button over here. So as I click, all the menu came down, the pop down menu. This is known as pop down. Sometimes the start box is down at the bottom, so it is known as this taskbar. You can find at the bottom also. So wherever you want to arrange and keep, you can do that. So the first thing is the middle section, system tray, and show desktop button. So now the first thing is that start button. This is start button over here, where you get the option, different option. If you click, these are the programs are there. You can select any program from here. Next you have the middle section, which shows the programs, which are the programs are used. So now I don't have any programs, so I cannot able to see this. Yes, now no program was there, so I can if my programs were opened, then I can have able to see it over there. So suppose I'm opening the Google Chrome. See, the icon came up over here. You can see the icon came over here. The middle tray, you can see different options are there, sound and other. Show the desktop button. So these are the different options which I have. You can see this, the date also given over here, date, time. So this is the taskbar. In taskbar you have this option also, search option, where you can search any file or program. Suppose if you want to search MS Word, okay, MS Word. So see, the option came up MS Word. As you click over here, your program MS Word will show you so many options, the pages which have been used for MS Word. Suppose our lesson, this is a lesson of class 5. Okay, so see MS Word which is coming up. Next we have the gadgets. So gadgets, let's see. So if you click over here, this personalize will able to show you the background. Suppose the background color, background, whatever the flowers is there, it's over here. So all the options you get over in personalize. Gadget are mini program that provide information at a glance and also provide access to the frequently used tool. For example, picture, puzzle, slide, show, feed, headlines, clock, calendar are all gadgets. Windows 7 desktop display gadgets on the right side of the screen. You can add or move the gadget on your desktop according to your choice. So you can put the gadget on your desktop if you want. You can put, if you want to keep the desktop clean, you can also remove that. So it's up to you. You can put gadget of your own choice. So class, we have learned about the, today we have learned about the desktop, we have learned about the icon, we learned about the taskbar, the start button, and we have learned how to search files, and the last we have learned about the gadget. So you read the chapter and just practice. If you have the computer at home, or if you don't have, no problem, you can use the mobile. You can see the go to YouTube and the video which I'm showing you now, okay, which I'm uploading. You can see that, you can able to understand the portion today what I have explained and what are those things. Thank you class. Class 3. Now the gadget. So we are, the chapter is explaining Windows 7. The screen which you are seeing on the computer which I have is Windows 10. So there's some changes are there, but still how we will find gadgets, let me show you in Windows 7. So if you click the right button of your mouse, you get this option where you can see view, sort by, refresh, and then other. Just before the personalize, you have a gadget over here, but in Windows 10 we have display setting. So we can do the setting of display from through here. So if I click this one, I get different options. I get the different options are here. So notification is there, and app and features, multitasking, table mode, and different options are there. And from through this we can select. But I will suggest class, you should be with some seniors or elder, with your parents, and do some changes in your computer, or else your computer may create problem. So better you should not do any changes or any kind of setting on your own. So if you come over here, you get different battery saver options is there, multitasking, so tablet mode. This is Windows 10 options which are providing you to do the setting. Or if you go for setting, For setting, you will need to go to personalize. Here you can do your own setting of on your desktop. Colors is there, you can choose color, which color you want to have the desktop, all those things. So I will suggest you not to change on your own. Be with your senior, with your parents, and you can do the changes. So thank you class, read the chapter, and I hope you can able to do it in your own PC. Thank you.